most famous influencer you follow was never born. Imagine a world where celebrities, fashion icons, and customer service representatives aren't real but digital creations powered by AI. Virtual humans are taking center stage, redefining industries, and shaping reality. But can they truly replace the humans we know? Let's explore. Virtual humans are no longer something out of a sci-fi story. They're very real and are already making an impact in the world around us. But what exactly are they? Virtual humans are AI-generated characters brought to life using cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D animation, and voice synthesis. These tools allow creators to design digital avatars that look, move, and even speak just like real people. From lifelike facial expressions to natural body language, they mimic human behavior with a level of detail that's almost unbelievable. Take little Michaela, for example. She's one of the most famous virtual influencers, boasting millions of followers on Instagram. She collaborates with major fashion brands, appears in music videos, and engages with her audience as if she's a real person. Then, there's Ludo Magalu from Brazil, the most followed virtual persona worldwide. She promotes retail products, shares content, and builds strong audience engagement. What makes these virtual humans special is their ability to connect with audiences just like real people, except they're not bound by real-world limitations. They never get tired, never age, and never run into scandals. Virtual humans are more than animations. They're reshaping industries like marketing, entertainment, and even customer service. So why are virtual humans becoming so popular? The answer lies in their unmatched efficiency, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. Brands love virtual influencers because they're always perfect. They don't age, need rest, or get caught in controversies. Imagine working with a model who delivers flawless content 24/7, requires no travel or production costs, and can be customized down to the last detail. It's no surprise that brands like Prada and Chanel have turned to digital influencers like little Michaela to endorse their products. Additionally, virtual humans provide consistent messaging across global markets, making them invaluable to international brands. Take Aitana Lopez, for example, a Spanish virtual influencer making waves in gaming, cosplay, and fitness. She reportedly earns up to $1,000 for every branded post she creates, a fraction of what many human influencers charge. For businesses, this is a huge win. Virtual influencers like Aitana offer brands a controlled, consistent, and polished presence that's available 24/7. They don't need breaks, don't require complex contracts, and don't face the unpredictability of human behavior. This makes them a dream investment for companies looking to maximize their marketing efforts with minimal hassle. In industries like marketing, virtual influencers are proven to be game changers. They're ideal for promoting products that rely on strong visuals such as clothing, gadgets, cosmetics, and accessories. Their perfectly curated appearances and flawless presentations make them stand out. For brands, it means having endless creative possibilities without the logistical headaches of organizing photo shoots, managing schedules, or negotiating fees with human models. Think about it. A virtual influencer can produce fresh content daily without ever stepping foot in a studio. They can wear a brand's newest collection instantly or promote a new gadget without needing physical products in hand. This level of flexibility and efficiency is unmatched. However, it raises a critical question. Can they truly connect with audiences on the same emotional level as human influencers?
Nope. Yep.
That's where things get tricky. However, when it comes to experiential products like perfumes or travel destinations, human influencers still hold an edge. After all, a virtual being can't truly experience the world's most luxurious hotel suite or the taste of a gourmet meal. This creates a disconnect that some consumers find difficult to overlook. In customer service, AI avatars are becoming digital shopkeepers, providing round-the-clock support to customers. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and handle repetitive tasks with efficiency. However, While AI-driven avatars offer speed and accuracy, they often lack the warmth and empathy of a real human agent. Imagine dealing with a technical issue and receiving perfectly scripted but emotionless replies. It might get the job done, but it wouldn't leave the same impression as a kind, understanding human voice. Entertainment is another area where virtual humans are making waves. From virtual pop groups like KDA, created for the game League of Legends, to AI-generated actors in CGI films, virtual humans are redefining the entertainment industry. They're tireless performers who can be molded into any role without constraints. But here's a question: can they ever replace the emotional depth and authenticity of human actors? While virtual performers are impressive, their lack of genuine human experience often limits their ability to connect emotionally with audiences. Beyond marketing and entertainment, virtual humans are also entering fields like healthcare and therapy. Virtual companions powered by AI are now being used as mental health assistants, offering support and guidance to people in need. These AI companions are always available, providing a judgment-free space to talk and reflect. For example, virtual therapists are helping individuals manage stress and anxiety through structured AI-driven conversations. However, the question remains: can they truly replace human therapists who bring compassion, understanding, and real-life experiences to their sessions? This growing reliance on virtual humans isn't without its criticisms. A significant concern is their impact on authenticity. Human influencers build trust with their audiences through personal stories, struggles, and emotions. This authenticity forms a bond that virtual humans, no matter how advanced, cannot replicate. While a virtual influencer may look real and say all the right things, audiences know they lack real-world experiences. For brands promoting authenticity, this disconnect can be a deal breaker. One significant issue with virtual humans is their role in reinforcing unrealistic beauty standards. These AI-generated characters are often designed to look perfect with flawless skin, symmetrical features, and ideal body proportions. Unlike real humans who embrace imperfections, virtual humans are programmed for perfection. Their appearance is carefully crafted using digital tools, meaning they're free of wrinkles, blemishes, or any natural flaws. While human influencers are increasingly promoting body positivity, celebrating diverse body types, and encouraging self-acceptance, virtual influencers often represent unattainable ideals. What are your thoughts on virtual humans? Are they enhancing innovation or threatening real jobs? Share your views in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content about the future of AI and technology.